Hello, this is Clare Norman, professional certified coach with the International Coaching Federation, also mentor coach for the ICF and coach supervisor, and author of Mentor Coaching, a Practical Guide. I believe that mentor coaching and supervision in combination provide us coaches with the best, highest impact continuous professional development that we could possibly invest in. And the reason for that is they are tailored specifically to us as individuals. They get to the heart of who we are and how we coach. And after all, how we show up in the room, how we coach, that is far more important than any theory that we could learn. So I encourage you to invest in your own mentor coaching and/or supervision, both together. And if you'd like to have a conversation with me about how I do the two of those, then please do pick up the phone. Mentor coaching will keep you sharp and continue to sharpen your edge over time. It's not just for a credential, it is something we should be investing in over the lifetime of our coaching, just as supervision is. And so mentor coaching keeps us sharp, supervision keeps us safe and sane. So I look forward to a conversation with you.